Hi, my name is ex5OlabisiK and I'll be presenting my fifth exercise. Okay, so this is my source code and this is my design and this is my text.xml code. And these are the strings that I used for the program. Okay, let's run the program. So double string, show all, yeah, and whenever click 2, it shows you the value 2, get shows me the value. Okay, and let's try something outside the range of the size. For double, displays index is out of range, and for string it displays index is out of range. Okay, so that's what we did in class. So from now on, I'm going to show you what I added to the program. I added integer, which displays the integer, and I also added factorial. So let's say we want to get the value of the factorial of 5. You can still put get, it will tell you the value of 5 at the index, and you can also click factorial to get the factorial of 5, which obviously the factorial of 5 is 120. Let's try 3. Yeah, thank you.